All right, well, welcome back to the 2024 RV Super Show here in Tampa Bay, Florida. It's been an amazing 2 days covering all the latest and greatest new products here at the show. We have taken you through fifth wheels and travel trailers and all kinds of mobile, units, motorized units, and now we are here in the Ember booth with, I can say now, good friend,
Yes.
Ashley Bontrager, founder, president, amazing person.
Oh, geez. Thank you.
Designer.
Yep.
And we're here in the Ember booth showing everyone kind of what's happening with you guys now. I was with you up in Elkhart.
Yes.
At the RV Open House, which is an industry show, getting a chance to see some of these new units. This is the first public showing down here in Tampa for it, right?
Yes.
All right, take it away.
Yeah.
Tell us what makes this amazing.
Yeah, so we are standing in the 240 TKR. It is in our Overland Series, which means that it comes with our independent suspension by Kurt, so off-road and off-grid. And now we've turned it into a gear hauler. So I want to show you all the cool things that we have in this thing, but it can do anything. I call it actually the Swiss Army knife. And I think actually in Elkhart in September, I kind of surprised you even live.
You
so
always
that was
surprise
fun.
me with this. It's got a party deck.
It has a party deck in the back, which we're standing on. But then if we go inside, that's where the fun is as well. Once the party's over on the outside, we now come into the gear hauler part. So this is all E-Track here that we have created with our suppliers. So we send it with these bunk bases and bunk mattresses, but it's a do-it-yourself area. You don't want bunks at all? Take them out. Now you can pull your toys in. You want to have one shelf and no lower bunk? Take it out, move it around, do what you want. We give you E-Track throughout this coach to give you plenty of options to make it your own.
It's modular, so you can literally, as Ashley said, make adjustments on the fly. You can even put a hammock in there as well, right?
You can put a hammock in here. We have one behind, so if there's some time, I could even show you that.
We might have to do
but
that.
First, the 240 TKR. It has a 3-piece bath, so a nice big shower. It has a separate sink and a porcelain foot flush toilet, so you have some convenience and luxury on the road. And yes, you just opened.
I couldn't. I'm a kid. I couldn't help myself.
There's so many great things to talk about.
Look at this window.
So these are caravan windows. We love them. They open so wide.
They go and they
amazing.
Stay.
Yes.
They go and they stay. And you can bring it all the way up and bring it back down to reset.
Dual pane acrylic, nice thermal break,
amazing.
Integrated blackout shade. Sorry, I almost cut your arm.
It's okay.
Maybe that was intentional. Bug screen as well. So you're covered.
I just love the design and ingenuity behind it. Not to mention, right, easy access. Someone's outside, you can hand them something. And then look across the top. That track continues to hang anything you want literally on the inside.
This is a do-it-yourself thing. So there you see like our equipment column. You can check your solar, turn your lights, run, awning, all that stuff is right there for you. But the Swiss Army knife continues because up front we are looking at this in sofa setup, right? Easy, I can watch a show, I can relax after a long day. But if we remove all these cushions, leave that one there, that one will be fine. Put the cushions out of the way. We are going to show you an Ember exclusive twin king bed setup. So my mattress got stuck back here. You have 2 twin beds. Voila. This center cabinet here is on a roller, so we can move it back and forth. Now we can also slide the bed over, and now we have a king. So one day your wife's not mad at you. You want to snuggle at night. Next day she's mad. Now you don't.
You got to show us.
Okay. All right.
Everyone wants to see.
Put yours back up. Oh, hold on. Let's fold it down together. There we go. Put it back up. And then, actually, I need to get this out of the way. I didn't need yours to put yours up, but that's fine.
So slide it over.
Is the latch on it? Hold on. Goes that way. I had it wrong. I had the wrong side. Wrong side. Sorry. Move that out of the way. We'll get this. I promise.
We're going.
We're going. Whoops. All right. Slide this over that way. Had the wrong side on it up. Now, lift your bed base. Slide that over here. And now we have our king bed.
And we're doing this fast for video.
We are doing it fast.
So that everybody can see. So now you have your bed.
So now you have your king bed.
How cool is that, right?
Swiss Army knife.
Swiss Army knife. I just think about the way the interior is designed on this, and it's the modularity of it is what makes it so exciting. Kitchen over here.
Yep.
Run us through everything we have in the kitchen.
Yeah, so in the kitchen we have a deep stainless steel sink. You have a 2-burner cooktop, and then up here we give you a convection microwave with a built-in air fryer functionality. So everything you kind of need to cook your gourmet meals on the road.
I love it. And then the windows on this, I wanted to just go back to those.
Yeah.
This is a special style because I don't see these on other RVs.
Yeah, so we actually import them from Europe because they are widely used over there in the RV space.
Yeah, they're so big.
But the ventilation is fantastic. They're big. They let lots of light in when you want it. They let lots of air in when you want it. We love them. Can't go wrong.
Is there anything else you want to show me?
Oh, in this one.
There was a rumor that you might want to show me another
I was
RV.
going to ask for one more.
I think we can do it.
We can do it?
I think we can do
All right,
it.
let's
I'm looking
go
at the watch.
out
We have
that
time.
way, back out the party deck. We're going to go to Ember's newest product line, the E Series.
All right, I'm following you.
E stands for Essentials.
Okay.
This one also has the Ember Track system, which was in the gear hauler where you can make things what you want. You go that way.
I go this way.
I got to show you this. We have a hammock.
All right, so
Who doesn't want to relax in a
the
hammock?
E-Track is back here, and then you can connect the hammock up on the top connection points
Yeah.
on the E-Track. So this
So-
is modular again.
Modular. E-Track is so versatile. There's so many aftermarket things that people can do back here, but we always send it as a double over double bunk. You can take it into single bunk mode. You can take it into desktop mode. You can take everything out. Now you have storage. This is the 26 ETS. It is making its world premiere here at Tampa. It's part of our E Series, which is all focused on the essentials. So it gets you out camping and gets you what you need to do so.
I'm going to go back to something you said a minute ago because I want everyone that's watching live to kind of digest this, right? So we have a hammock here right now, Ashley. She said desktop mode, and then you were flying like me. You're like video person. So this will drop down all the way to here, and you can actually sit with the side hatch open
And there's a screen.
and a screen to keep the bugs out. So if you want to work like many people do from the road, you're not confined inside. It's the only RV here at the show, or RV in general, where the side hatch opens up to really expose you to the elements. Who doesn't want to go to the beach and enjoy nature with this big wide opening?
Exactly. And we still give you the rear loading door, or we call it a kayak door because it's perfect to slide your kayak in through the back. You could load your e-bikes. I mean, this back end allows the RVer
How long
to
is
do
this
what they
one?
want. This one is about 31 feet.
Okay, 31 feet, and the one that we were in before?
That one,
22.
That one's going to be closer to 27.
Okay, 27 feet. So you're getting larger.
We are getting larger.
You're going
yes.
bigger.
Yeah.
I remember the little one that I saw up in Elkhart.
Yep. We still make those too, but we do have some larger options
Awesome.
now.
Well, where can people find more information on what's going on with Ember?
Yeah, so easy, emberrv.com. You'll see everything we have to offer.
Okay, I got to go one more. Pricing.
Pricing. So the E-Series MSRP is going to be in the mid to upper 40s on the MSRP, and the TKR MSRP is going to be closer to 70.
And are those prices people will see here in Tampa?
They'll see some show prices here in Tampa.
Show prices. All right, there you guys have it. That's our last video, I think, for today here in Tampa. It's been a great show. Holy heck, I think we've done...
You got your steps in, I'm sure.
I got my steps in, I'm sure. Ashley Von Traeger, thank you so much.
Thank
and everyone
you.
else for joining us over the past few days here in Tampa at the 2024 RV Super Show. I don't want to go from the Super Show. It's been my day of rhyming. All right, everyone, thanks.